I'll guide you through how to contact Walmart customer service the easy way, without knowing who to call or being transferred multiple times. If you're looking to track an online order or you have a question about a return, and you want to find the most effective way to reach a Walmart representative, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and most direct way to contact Walmart is by phone. But before I reveal the Walmart customer service number, let's examine another excellent option, especially for online orders, the Walmart.com Help Center. Go to the Help Center webpage at walmart.com/help. Here you can find a vast library of self-service articles on everything from returns to managing your account. It's often the fastest way to get an answer without waiting on hold. For an even quicker resolution, the online live chat is a great feature. You can access the live chat function directly from the Help Center page. This allows you to communicate with a customer service representative in real time, which is perfect for urgent questions or when you can't talk on the phone. You can also use the in-store support. For returns, exchanges, or specific questions about products in a physical store, the customer service desk at the front of the store is an easy and effective way for getting in-person help. And finally, the main customer service number is 1-800-925-6278. That is 1-800-925-6278. It's easy to remember as 1-800-WALMART. This number is your best bet for all general inquiries, including questions about orders placed on Walmart.com. The automated system will guide you to the right department, but a human representative is available to help with a wide range of issues. By this, you have successfully learned how to contact Walmart customer service for help. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.